Well, hopefully that's the last time I drive this truck with a leaking fuel pump, because it's dumping gas all over the place. I'm gonna leave the big door open on the garage and let things dry out. It's too hot to work out here right now. It's just after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's plenty warm. As you can see by how much I'm sweating. But I have enough room to get the truck into the workshop, and I'm gonna try and get this mess straightened out. We'll just have to see what happens.